Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Redmi Buds 6S with your PC. You have to start by click on the Windows icon. Now go to Settings, Devices, add Bluetooth. Now open the charging case and press and hold connection button for at least 3 seconds. Until you can see that LED light start flashing, like I have right now. Now we should see these headphones on the device list and click on it and then click done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!